This is the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. It is available on Amazon for $249. Today we're going to be installing it and checking out all of its features and seeing if this is the best smart lock for your home. Let's get started.
August Smart Lock easily installs on the inside of your door, leaving the outside of your lock untouched so you can keep your keys. Great for homeowners and renters alike. You simply tap to open and close. Home or away, simply lock or unlock your door from the app. You will always know who comes and goes with the activity feed, and you can share virtual keys to grant or revoke guest access from anywhere. They also feature customized smart alerts to get updates on what's happening at your door. August Smart Locks simply attach to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Since it does not change the exterior of your lock, your keys will still work. August Smart Locks with Wi-Fi fit seamlessly into your existing smart home. From your favorite voice assistant to partners like Samsung, SmartThings, Philips Hue, and more. Smart locks and keypads are perfect for your kids, parents, dog walker. Great for vacation rental hosts to grant access to your rental property from anywhere. Set access to the exact stay period and integrate with Airbnb. For new homeowners, this is a must-have essential for your front door and entryways. Settle in with peace of mind from the extra security of a smart lock. Status updates only from August has Door Sense that checks the status of your door and tells you if your door is securely closed and locked. Auto Unlock knows when you arrive and unlocks the door as you approach. Make your everyday easier than ever with a virtual key through your phone, Apple Watch, or keypad. Control your door from anywhere and share access within the app or create unique keypad entry codes. With secure convenience at your fingertips, you can easily let in cleaners, pet sitters, or loved ones. August Smart Locks work with your existing single-cylinder deadbolt, installs in minutes on the inside of your door. It features two-factor authentication. August products and services always use at least two factors of authentication to ensure the highest level of security. There's also two-layer encryption, which uses Bluetooth LE technology encryption, as well as an additional encryption mode. There's also a lost phone feature. If you lose your phone, you can disable your August app and all virtual keys on any associated device at any time at lostphone.august.com. There is biometric verified access to enable your smartphone's fingerprint or facial verification for unlocking and locking your door. Get extra peace of mind to ensure your front door is always safe and secure. The August Smart Lock Pro and Connect are award-winning smart lock that makes your home smarter and your life easier. It has Wi-Fi capabilities for remote access, smart features like auto unlock and virtual keys, and an easy installation within minutes. There's a free August app for iOS or Android iOS. Wi-Fi internet connection. Work with your existing single-cylinder deadbolt. Ever forget or lose your keys? Wonder if you lock the door on your way out or go all the way home just to let someone in? August Smart Locks take any worry out of getting into your home. Use their top-rated app to control your door to unlock, lock, grant guests access, see who came and left, and let anyone in from anywhere. Now keep in mind that the remote access feature requires a Connect Wi-Fi bridge. August Smart Locks for homes give you the option to automatically lock your door when you leave, immediately or up to 30 minutes after. Auto Unlock recognizes when you arrive and unlocks the door as you approach. With hands full of kids and groceries, don't worry about juggling your keys. Your smartphone or Apple Watch is now your digital keypad. Lock and unlock your door with a simple tap. The August app works with iOS and Android devices. Maintain full control of your door from anywhere. Lock and unlock and check the status of your door from everywhere. Never worry about your deliveries left out on the porch or grandma stuck waiting outside for you to get home. With the August app, you can grant access for minutes, hours, days, or more. Setting up a recurring access or single occurrence, the August Smart Lock keypad allows people you trust like babysitters, dog walkers, house cleaners, or extended family to let themselves in and out of your home. No more copies of keys floating out there. The Connect Wi-Fi bridge. With all August Smart Locks have Bluetooth LE integrated but require a separate Wi-Fi bridge to enable remote access and voice speaker integrations. Rest assured, always knowing what's happening at your door, whether the door was open or closed, and by who. August Smart Lock Pro integrates easily into your smart home. August partners with leaders in the smart home space so everything works together. Pair the smart lock with Alexa or Google Assistant or Siri to enable voice commands that lock, unlock, and check the status of your door. With HomeKit and Z-Wave built in, you can pair your lock to these existing smart home networks. The August Smart Lock installation takes less than 10 minutes. Simply install on the inside of your door over your existing deadbolt. Leave your outside lock alone and you can keep your existing deadbolt and keys. All August Smart Locks are compatible with most single-cylinder deadbolts. Thank you so much for watching. Come back for another video where we will find some new smart home features. And we'll see you next time.